so this is my Ducati Monster 1200S, and today, simple video, maintenance and cleaning, because as you can see, this thing is pretty damn filthy. Like, look at that. I've been neglecting the bike just a little bit. I've been riding it a lot, but I haven't had time to clean it up. I need to do some chain maintenance because this is disgusting. Like, look at that. Like, all of that dirt up in there, grease, and it's past due. And I'm pretty sure the chain needs to be adjusted. Like, look at that. That slack is unacceptable, and it's also filthy. But more importantly, I have a clutch issue. So I changed out the fluid recently, but again, it looks pretty dirty, and the clutch is pretty, look at that, it's pretty loose. So I will have to change the fluid and bleed the clutch again through this, the hydraulic bleeder nipple. So to make this a little bit easier, I do have my rear stand, which is what I normally use, and then I also have my front stand, which is this one. But then I also picked up this guy here, which is a new front stand, but this one grabs it by the triple tree, or I guess triple tree. It grabs it by the triple tree instead of by the fork, so this makes it a little bit easier because I also need to do a little bit of fork maintenance. As you can see from this spot here on the ground, I have a leaking fork. I think it's only happening when the bike is on that rear stand right there and sitting there for an extended period of time, because when I clean this off and ride the bike, I don't have any issues. But as soon as I leave it on the rear stand for say like a week while I'm working and busy and not able to ride, this starts leaking and I ended up with a spot on the ground right there, which is not normal. This happened twice. I used the fork cleaning tool to clean it and I didn't have any issues for a month. And then I left it on the stand for about a week or so and it started leaking again. So I think maybe I'll stop leaving it on just the rear stand and probably just use both stands if I store it. But we got quite a bit of things to do. The whole bike needs to be cleaned. The whole thing is filthy. Like, you can see all the bugs, dirt. It's pretty damn dirty. Like, there's mud all over the place. I did end up riding in the rain one of these days. I'll throw up a clip right now, but yeah, the whole bike needs to be cleaned. Everything needs to be cleaned. Tire pressures need to be checked. Forks need to be checked. Chain needs to be cleaned. And then I got a new front stand to unbox. So let's get into it and try to get some of this shit done. Sick. Damn. Alright, I got the stand put together. So next step, let's put the bike up on the rear stand and then try out this front stand. I put in the pen. If anybody's curious, I'm pretty sure it's a 24mm pen, but it goes right in the triple tree. I'll show you once I put it on this, once I put it in the bike, but let's give it a try. I bought the stand off Amazon for like $100, so we'll see if it's actually worth the money, if it actually works. So let's see if we save some money or if this was a waste of money. There we go. Look at that. Seems sturdy. All right, we got the bike on the rear, or the front stand, and so far I think it looks pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. It seems pretty sturdy. I give it a little push, but yeah, I think all the flex is coming from the rear stand because this is a single-sided rear stand, so you are going to have some flex. As you can see, kind of like give it a little, it's a little bit of flex in the rear, but that's okay. But I would say I'm thoroughly impressed with this cheap Amazon stand. I don't know what brand this is. It was just some cheap stand. If anybody's curious, I'll probably link it down below, but I'm happy with it. It supports the bike, and that's all I need to do. I don't know about leaving it on there long term if somebody would do that, but I like it at least for doing maintenance and cleaning the bike. But let's get to the maintenance. fluid. It's a little cloudy, so that's the only bad thing. I feel like it gets dirty pretty quickly because I feel like this fluid gets super dirty pretty quickly because of the heat. The Monster does get pretty damn hot. All right, squeeze in clutch, crack open bleeder, like so. Close, and give it a couple pumps, and then we'll probably put it back in this after I do that. All right, now add some more fluid and repeat. We'll probably do this 10 more times until the fluid comes out super clear, and then we'll call it good. Well, we got the clutch bled out, but we have a problem. As you can see here, the fucking bleeder nipple snapped off. So that's just great. Look at that. It fucking snapped off. Luckily, I closed it, so it snapped off in the closed position, but that is a pain in the ass because now I need to get a new bleeder nipple. Great. Look at that. Just snapped right off. Yay me. Alright, so we finally finished. So as you can see, everything's pretty much cleaned up now. I got the wheels clean, all the suspension's nice and cleaned off, the tire pressures have been set. The bike looks pretty damn good if I do say so myself. The exhaust is cleaned up, all the mud's cleaned off, the wheels looking good. And also, we got the chain clean, which is one of the biggest things I was trying to do, which was clean up this chain because this thing was filthy. Now it's shiny, it looks like a new chain, it's a rocket. So chain's clean, I got the chain adjusted, I didn't film that, but it's a little funky since it's a Monster. You can see right here, there's like a little eccentric nut. There's like looks like a coilover adjuster. You use it, you adjust it, adjust the chain slack, easy enough. Also, we had one casualty, which was this stupid bleeder. The screw broke off, but luckily I closed it when it broke off, so it's holding pressure. I did get the clutch bled out, so the fluid in there looks nice, as you can see. Clutch nice and stiff, feels good now. So I would call that a success. We got the bike cleaned up, we got all the maintenance done, tire pressures checked, chain adjusted, chain clean, bike looks fantastic. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. In the future I'll probably be doing more videos like this, maintenance and whatnot, but if you have any questions, concerns, or if you want to see more stuff like this, comment down below. Thanks.